Hello beautiful people, Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and today we will be making right turns on large intersections, and let's do it together. Alright, so when we're making a right turn on a large intersection, about 100 meters before, we're supposed to check our mirror, signal to the right, check your blind spot to the right, and then continue. Your focus should be all on the intersection, and make sure that you're looking at the intersection. So if different situations we are going to face, right now it's a green light, no pedestrian, I check a blind spot, I don't have to stop, I just go. Just like that. It's a right turn on a green light when there were no pedestrian on the right side. I didn't have to stop, and I just continuously go, and no stop required. Alright, so we're making a right turn at a large intersection. Please make sure about 100 meters before, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And we're making a right turn on a green light where I have a pedestrian on the right side. So I'm going to wait for the pedestrian. As soon as the pedestrian touches the curb, I check the blind spot to the right, and then I turn right into the first lane closest to me. And then I start picking up and recovering myself, but right lane is the driving lane, and this is where I stay and continue my driving here. I have to beat the speed limit of the street. Okay, so making a right turn on a red traffic light, I'm gonna check my mirror, signal, blind spot about 100 meters before the intersection. I complete that, and then it's a red light, I will be making a right turn. So you have to come to a complete stop here. Whenever you're making a right turn on a red light, you have to treat it like a one-way stop sign. You stop here, look both sides for any pedestrian, no pedestrian, you creep up a little bit. You check for any cars, no cars, check the blind spot on the right, and you go. That's it. That's for the red light when you're making a right turn on a red light, and then you continue.